Hey guys, back again with another hair video. I have a new color I'm rocking this time. I wanted to go for the mint color. I hope I got it right. I'm not quite sure. Let me know what you think. But if you want to see how I got this color, keep on watching. Okay, so for this video, I will be using a Dsoar hair. I actually got 5 bundles this time. It's 5 bundles of 26 inches and a 20-inch frontal. So I'm going to be doing the watercolor method again. This is by far the most stress-free and simple method ever when it comes to coloring hair, especially if you're using 613 bundles. So I got some hot water and a bit of cold water just to mix it up so it's not too hot. And I am going to be using 2 colors I'm going to mix together. I'm going to be using the Dsoar dye in baby blue and also sweet mint. Sweet mint on its own gave me a blue color. It wasn't quite right. So all I do is literally do a drop of each. Literally a drop because I don't need too much. I want it to be quite a light mint. And then mix it together and just dip the hair into the bowl. It is that simple. Dip it into the bowl and I literally just dip it in and then take it straight out, so that it just has a nice coating of the color. I don't want to leave it in too much because it would go a lot darker. I wanted a nice mint, and this is how I felt like was the easiest way to do it. I had tried it a few times, did a lot of trial and error before I figured out how to do this. It's all about trial and error. I did test this on a little strand of hair, one of my old hair, before doing this. So I didn't want it to be too green because once it's dyed, you really can't go back or go any lighter. So there will be sections that might not go straight mint, so I just re-dip that area and then just take it straight out. Like I said, I don't leave the hair in the bowl. I literally dip it in and it comes straight out. And as you can see, it gives a nice minty color. So again, doing the same thing for the other bundles, and then I did the same thing for the frontal. Now with the frontal, I did this off camera because I wasn't sure what I was doing. I was like, should I dye the roots first and then dye the hair? So I did the roots first, and then I dipped the hair into the little mix. I did go over it again when the hair was made into a wig, so I would go over the roots again after she's customized the frontal. But this is what it looks like. I love how nice it looks. I'm not gonna lie though, I did get a little bit scared in terms of the color, how it's gonna look on me. Without makeup on, it looks a little bit wild, but with makeup on, it looks quite nice. So this was the dye that I used. I used the Clairol 75 Light Ash Brown dye, and it's perfect for 613 bundles to give you a darker root. I don't like the non-roots look for me personally. So that's that. So anyway, the wig's been made, so I'm about to fit it on my head now, and I'm just gonna speed through this part. I have shown you this part a few times, so I will link a more in-depth video on how I actually just lay my wigs. I use the Got To Be spray and also the glue as well, the black one, because I feel like they work really well together. And then I'm just gonna show you, speed up this part where I'm doing my makeup. It's not a tutorial, just a little get ready with me type style, and I will link everything in the description box of the video. So yeah, I think I like it. I think it did come out well. The roots, however, could have been a little bit better. It seems a little bit sloppy, but I'm not some expert when it comes to dyeing hair. As you can see around the front, it's a little bit, I took it a little bit too low, but hey, what can you do? Anyway, so yeah, I'm just gonna do a quick curl and then just do my makeup. By the way, I didn't mention I used 5 bundles because I felt like 4 wasn't actually enough. When I first got the hair, they sent over 4 bundles and it felt quite thin, so I asked for an extra bundle. So obviously the longer you go, the thinner or the less hair you get. So I had to go for 5, but it's up to you. I love volume, I love big hair, you know this, you've been knowing this, so it's up to your personal preference. But for me, I felt like 5 was the right amount. I even had to add extra bits of my own old hair, but I think 5 was a good amount for this hair. Now, if you've tried this hair color before, let me know. I found that it was quite difficult to match clothing and makeup colors, makeup looks. I think when it comes to this color, I only find that neutral colors work, golden browns and brown smoky eye only seem to work. If you have any more suggestions on what kind of eye colors to go with this hair color, let me know. But honestly, I really like it on. But like I said, you can't have really harsh makeup, I would keep it quite natural or quite like glowy, quite bronzed because of the color. And like I said, when it comes to clothing, I've only found that like brown, like I'm wearing a brown top right now. Brown works, black obviously works, denim works, but that's pretty much it. If you know what I can wear, let me know. And I think next time I might try a short bob. I think I've been doing a lot of like long styles, and I think a short bob with a different color would look nice. So I might do that. Let me know what color you would like to see next on me in a short length, and I'll see if I can get that done. But I'm honestly really enjoying like experimenting with different colors. I think this is a really nice color for summer coming up, so I will definitely be rocking that. And also if you're doing festivals, Coachella. So yeah, so I'm just literally finishing off my makeup. This is literally my go-to, golden brown all the time. And this is my current lip combo. I'll put everything in the description box. So doing a quick curl, I think this hair looks quite nice with like big loose waves, and I'm loving it. I'm getting Barbie vibes, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie, but yeah, and love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. So thank you so much for watching, and let me know what you think about this look. If you like it, if you think it's a fail, let me know. And yeah, I'll put all of the information in the description box, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.